Hi, welcome to my channel once again. Glad to have you back. Today I am doing some more toilet paper origami. These are ways how you can make your toilet paper look beautiful for yourself, for your guest, or even if it requires doing it at your work. So here goes. You take 3 squares from your toilet paper and fold each one in an accordion like this. Let me put something dark. Here you can see it better. Just fold it accordion like this. This is what it looks like when you're done folding. See? The fold accordion is you're actually folding the plates on top of each other. Then you fold this. And now you put your flowers on top, and we're going to make a seal with the top. Just make the top a little damp. And now there we have our beautiful flowers on our toilet paper. Now for the second, I will be making a bow. Now the toilet paper, you fold under like this. Now for this one, take 5 squares. 3 squares I will use to make the bow, and these 2 squares will be for the middle part to tie the bow together. So fold the squares like this, the 3 squares like this. Then just flip it over, just gather it up like this. Just pinch it in the middle like this. Okay? Then these 2 squares, fold in half, then fold in half again, and fold again in half. Now for the toilet paper, you will have to make 2 holes on one side. I will not put it in the middle, you're putting it on one side. So there I put 2 holes, and now I will insert There you have a beautiful toilet paper bow origami. Isn't this just cute? Thank you so much for viewing this video and thank you for your support. If you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any new videos. Go ahead and share this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.